everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and we are back for another Stitch Fix unboxing. And I didn't ask for anything, and I think we could probably all agree that Stitch Fix hasn't been really killing it for me. It's not terrible, but I feel like this is a bit of a redemption box. It's bad when I'm not that excited to open them, right? Like it's been here a couple days and I'm not like, yeah, let's open it up and see what I got. It just hasn't been that good. Before I start, I hope all of your summers are starting out wonderful. Our summer has been really hot in Seattle and the sun is out and it's beautiful right now. And I got my River Time shirt on. This is our brewery. And so we got some new swag. So I'm sporting the swag today. Have to represent. But tell me how your summers are going and tell me what fun things you're doing this summer. Anything. Is it just sitting at home watching TV? Perfectly fine. Are you doing any activities? Anybody paddleboard? Anybody hike? Anybody just walking in the neighborhood? Like, tell me what you're doing that's enjoying this beautiful weather. All right, well, let me see what I got in my box. Hopefully it is a redemption box. All right, so envelopes, prices we'll go over at the end. Okay, here's my little bundle. It looks like there's a lot of black in it. Some denim, some pink, some black. Oh, what is this? Is it shoes? I barely ever get shoes. Okay, there's sandals. I'm gonna have to open these up and see what these are all about. Okay, these are by Mia. And they're like a snake skin sandal. I don't have all the paper off, but those are cute. And I kind of like some small animal print sometimes because it really goes with a ton of stuff. And I think it can give some like little fun bit to maybe a plain outfit, like you're wearing some black shirt, but then you put a little fun snake skin on with it. So that could be cute and comfy. I like that. It's got some silvery bits on there. Okay, we'll try those on, see how they fit. Now for the bundle. Okay, what is this first thing? Well, that's cute. So it's a t-shirt and it's got a little tulip sleeve, and I said this in the last video too. And in classic Stitch Fix style, there are buttons down the back, which I think are cute. Don't get me wrong, it's stripes, buttons down the back, tulip sleeves. The formula is complete. It's Stitch Fix. Sorry, that sounds so negative, but it's true. I can't help it, it's true. But it is soft and stretchy, and I do like the colors, and I'm looking forward to trying it on. I think it could be really, really cute. All right, this is black. What is this action? It's stretchy soft. Is it a skirt? Oh, it's a dress. It's a dress. So this could be great. This, I love black dresses like this that are just stretchy and short sleeve, and they don't have a lot of shape to them, but they don't, you know what I love them for? Is it doesn't seem like it would work, but I like it as a pullover because like you pull it over and then you sit down, and in lots of things then you can see your big wet butt spot, but in black you can't, and it's like light and flowy. Even though it's black, I think it could be amazing, and it's really soft, and I could probably sleep in it. Wait, no, I won't. I definitely could work in it though. Oh, this is cute. This is just a black Nike sweatshirt. I just got a really cute black sweatshirt and it didn't say Nike on it, so I don't know if I need a black sweatshirt, but it's cute and I don't mind a little Nike. So, okay, that will be fun to try on. And then, what's all these? Oh, they're just jeans. Maybe they're cropped. They look a little short. Let's see what they say on them, if there's anything. They're Judy blue. I don't think they say. They're girlfriend jeans. All right, well, that's fun. I'll try those on and see how they fit too. I think they'll look cute with the pink striped shirt. All right, well, let me try this all on and we'll see how it all goes. I'll be right back. Okay, it's cute. Okay, I was wrong, it's cute. Okay, this shirt is really soft and lovely. I mean, I'm not sure I'm in love with the tulip sleeves, but it's not bad at all. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks pink, but it's like tiny little heathered stripes on it, which is fun. The back is cute. It's really soft and stretchy and comfortable. So the formula is right. It's cute. And this outfit's cute. So the jeans are those Judy blue and they're so like ultra stretchy. I rolled them just because it's summer and I felt like they needed to be rolled. They were a little like at ankle for me. And they were cute that way too, but I feel like summer, like, gotta roll them up. Well, so check out the jeans. What do you think? They're a little bit lower rise. I would call them maybe a mid. They're not super high rise, even though they feel like it. I've kind of pulled them up a bit. They're a little tiny bit lower than I have been wearing recently, but not bad. They're not like low by any means. So tell me what you think about this outfit. All right. Stitch Fix is gonna prove me wrong. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the Nike sweatshirt, and it's cute. I mean, everybody has their preference about whether they like to wear names and logos and stuff. I don't mind it. I probably would wear it to work out more or around house. I probably wouldn't wear it out in public that much. But I also just got like an adorable black sweatshirt, so I doubt that I would get it, but I like it. And it might depend on the price. And I was also thinking the jeans would depend on the price because Lord knows I do not need another pair of jeans. But if they're the right price, I can work with that. All right, let me try on the dress and the sandals. I'll be right back. It's cute too, right? I think it's cute. It's got a little pocket. It's soft and stretchy and flattering. It's like lounge around the house or go out or whatever. It's real. Is it cute? I think it's cute. Okay, and I have the sandals on with them, which you can't really see that well probably from this angle, but they are really cute. They rub in some spots. I can't decide whether they like soften up and not rub, but they're really cute. And this is exactly what I was talking about. Plain black dress, give a little pizzazz with some snakeskin shoes. So I like them a lot. I don't know if I need them, but I do really like them. And this dress is super cute. Okay, so a lot of this is gonna depend on the prices. So let me put on my regular clothes. I'll show you the shoes close up again, and then I have to make some tough decisions. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, before I show you prices, I wanted to share with you, I finally found denim shorts that I like. Okay, here they are. I like the length. They're high rise. They're made well. And I've been wearing them for 3 days, for real. Don't judge me. They are comfortable and they're lovely and they go with everything and I'm kind of in love with them. I have to put them straight into the wash after this because I want to wear them tomorrow. But if you're looking for denim shorts, which are hard to find, at least they've been hard to find for me because they're too short or too long or weird or blah. These Madewell ones, and I've even tried on other Madewell ones. These are the Danny Wash high-rise denim. I don't know if there's another name for them, but I am in love with these. Okay, sorry, I had to show you that for a second. Let's go over prices. Sorry, I had to share. Okay, a lot of this is going to depend on the price. All right. Okay, the first thing is the Market and Spruce knit dress. Oh, goodness me. It's called the Allison knit dress. It's $38. This is a no-brainer. This is gonna stay with me. For $38, you're kidding me? That was so cute. If I only wore it one time, it'd be worth it. Okay, the Nike sweatshirt is $60. I mean, it's not totally unreasonable for Nike, but I have my black sweatshirt and you can go to outlets and get this stuff for pretty cheap. So Okay, so that is a no today. The jeans are 58 and that's a good price. I would totally consider getting these for 58. Tell me what you think. Did they look good? Just the rise was just, it was a mid, but it was still cute. I don't really need jeans. My internal battle is happening here. All right, and then the coral, they called it button back shirt by Market and Spruce, is 48. I don't think that's a bad price. And I thought it was cute on. What do you think? This is the classic Stitch Fix shirt. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's unique enough? Do you think it doesn't freaking matter? Because it probably doesn't, because I don't really care. But I also like to mix it up. So 48, I think maybe the dress is still the winner for sure. And then the last thing, these are actually a pretty good price. The Mia shoes. Let me get you a good shot of those. They're really cute. They are 45. I think this is a reasonable priced box. And I think it was good. Did Stitch Fix redeem themselves though? I think so. It was, I mean, it wasn't like blow my mind, but I liked everything. So that can't be bad. The whole box was $2.49. If I got everything and got the 25% discount, it would be $62.25 less. And I have a styling, I do the style pass. So no discount there. If I got the whole box, it'd be $186.75. Yeah, I'm not gonna get the whole box, but maybe that dress, and maybe those jeans, and maybe those sandals. I'm gonna have to do some Stitch Fix math. All right, well, thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like these, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.